Hello people, welcome back to the episode of Relating Me and You. You and me through YouTube, and here I am with another video that's going to be my favorite holy grail products that I have hit pan on. Now I am not just going to mention products here, but I'm going to show the products because I have hit pan on them. That means I definitely dig on those products. I go back to them every time I want to do my makeup. So I thought I might show you that and you might be interested. And if you are from an oily skin family with huge pores and acne prone skin, you would definitely love this product because these suggestions are for people who belong to my skin type, and that's some of the characteristics of my skin type. So if you belong to that skin family, this video is going to be very helpful because the products I'm telling you are my absolute favorite and I use them every time. So now, without me much blabbering, let's just directly get into the video. Let's begin. So we are going to start with my eyes first. I have done my skincare already and that's out of the way. I have put on a little bit of moisturizer and a lip balm so that my skin is moisturized, and I'm going to let it settle in, and until then I'm going to do my eyes. So I'm going to start with my brows. And for the brows, we are going to use the most trusted product on this channel, and this is L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Kit. You can already see from the packaging how much it has been used, and let me show you the pan. See, okay, that's the brush. So if you see, I have hit the pan quite a lot. There's only a small amount of product left. Now this side is the powder side and this side you have the gel. Now I don't use gel as much, I just use the powder side of it. So it's almost over, and that's what we are going to use. And let me tell you, this is the best product I've seen in the market, like the best product if you want to go for natural look. And also it helps do my brows in seconds, like literally seconds. You saw? That's it. I am done with my brow. And you can see the difference definitely. And now let's move towards the eyes. And when we talk about eyes, I definitely have to prime them first before going in with eyeshadows, and for that I am using this Smashbox concealer. This is known as Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-hour concealer, and if you see it, I'm trying to show you here, I'm not sure if you can see, but I have run out of this concealer. It's just breathing its last breath, and I'm going to take a little bit. That's going to go over my eyes as a primer. This is a perfect concealer as a primer, as well as covering your under eyes and just doing the concealer job. This is that perfect concealer which you definitely need to put your hands on if you can spend a little money into it. And talking about the eyeshadows, you might have seen this palette quite a lot on my channel. This is Febble Tease Me palette, and it's very affordable and just the perfect palette for any kind of look. You see, it has nice brown nude shades, it has some very nice glittery shades, so it has everything that you can ask for. And if you see, there are two pans here that I have hit pan on, so that definitely says something about this palette. And now we are going to create a look. Now since this is not a tutorial, I am going to put you on time lapse and just do my eye look. But if in case you want me to do a tutorial on this eye look, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. But right now, let's get going. Is the eyeshadow look. I just took 5 minutes to create a full-blown smoky eyes. I love this eyeshadow because it is so easily blendable and the pigmentation is just the right amount, not too much, not too less. There's just teeny tiny bit of fallout, but I'm completely fine with that. And next thing we are going to do is eyeliner, definitely. And for that I'm going to use this Lakme Absolute Shine line. This is one such eyeliner that I have been using since my college days. I used to use eyeliner daily since my college days, and this is one such eyeliner that I've been going back I tried using a little bit here and there, but nothing has worked for me like this one. So I love this, and if you see, even this one is going to finish. I hardly have anything on my wand, so definitely this is the one that I reach out to. And next thing I am going to show is going to be about my skin, because that's what we are going to proceed. And I am using this Farsali Volcanic Elixir. This is such a beautiful oil, and this is the last pump I have because I know I have dragged it with a lot of problems, putting a bottle here and there. And I love this oil because although I am from an oily skin family and oils don't go great with my makeup because my skin turns oily really quickly, but this is one such oil that has worked so good that it acts as a great primer, but at the same time it makes sure that my skin doesn't turn oily throughout the day, because otherwise whatever oil I use, it is always going to come out and just break my makeup down. But this one, oh my god, moisturizes my skin, hydrates my skin, and also acts as a great primer. And moving towards the foundation, it's obviously going to be Maybelline Fit Me. If you follow my channel for a while, you definitely know that this is my holy grail. Again, this is one product that I have been using ever since I started using makeup. This is one such product that blurs out my skin texture, my skin pores, and at the same time give me a very nice finish. Now you can build this up from being a medium coverage foundation to really high coverage foundation, and that is what I love about this product. Like, it does definitely blurs out my pores and texture, that is one thing, plus it can be buildable. You can easily build it down or build it up according to your needs, so you don't need to have multiple foundations to one that is high coverage, one that is medium coverage, or sheer foundation. You don't need multiple products with this one. If you have one of these, you're sorted forever, for all seasons. You see, this foundation is so pretty. It looks so skin-like, so beautiful, but still has covered all my acne pigmentation here. You see, there were quite a lot of pigmentation here and there, but it has covered everything and it looks very skin-like. It doesn't look cakey, because I've used a few foundations that are extremely full coverage, definitely gives coverage, but makes your skin look very cakey, and I don't prefer that, and this one just does the trick for me. And next thing we are going to be talking about is this Sugar Jelly Highlighter in the shade Gold. Yeah, and I have finished it. This highlighter is so pretty. It is not chunky, it is not glittery, but gives that natural within glow, and I am a sucker for that. Going back to the concealer, I'm using this same Smashbox concealer because obviously when I'm trying to create my favorite products, this has to be there. And now we are going to add a little dimension to our face, adding a little bronze, a little warmth to our face, and for that I am using this Faces Ultime Pro Bronzing Powder. You see, again, I have hit pan with this one too. You can see, when you hit pan with a product, it definitely says a lot about that product. I'm not sure if that's your theory, but for me, if there is some product in anybody's vanity, and if it hit pan, to me that product is really good, like really good. That is why you reach to the product too often, right? Because you like how it performs and you just don't want to use any other alternative for it. And now going to the blush. Again, I use the same palette. I'm going to mix this shade Dare Me and Lust. These are very beautiful peachy blushy shades and I absolutely love them. Plus the pigmentation is just beautiful and complements my bronzer very beautifully. And my base is done already, like in few minutes, and now I am going to proceed towards my lower lashes, and for that I am using this Plum Nature Studio Kajal. Again, you see I'm almost done with it. There's only this much of the product left and I absolutely love the pigmentation and the way it stays on my eyes without giving me panda eyes by the end of the day. And I think that is all I ask for from a nice beautiful kajal. And when we talk about mascaras, who would not guess it is L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. Again, you see from the packaging only you can tell it's been forever with me and I have been using it since forever, and now I have to just dig in every corner so that I can get some mascara on my wand. Well, I have ordered another one of this and it will be soon with me. Right, and when that is done, we are going to proceed towards lashes, and for that I use this lash glue because I'm not talking about lashes here but a lash glue. This is one by Pack Cosmetics. It's known as Pack Lash Fixer Eyelash Adhesive. Now if you see, again I have ran out of it. I have another one on the way and this is what I use for my lashes. And next thing we are going to be talking about is definitely lips. No points for guessing, but I am talking about a lip liner, that is this one right here. This is by Maybelline. It's known as Brick Rose. It is just perfect nude liner. Towards lipstick, my favorite one, that is Smashbox in the shade Baby Alert. Now I have both of them, the driver's seat and the Baby Alert, and I am done with both. If you see, both my lipstick I have run out of. Again, they are on their way, they are coming here, but right now we are going to go with Baby Alert, and it's going to be little difficult to get lipstick on because we don't have much in the pack. Now I have put a gloss on. If you see, it is not something that is empty yet, but it is going to be definitely there in my empty series that we are going to do next. But right now I have not hit pan on this one, but I am loving it, so I'm sure it's going to be there. It's going to make an appearance in the next one. And coming to the end of it, it's going to be a makeup setting spray, and that is this one, Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. Absolutely love it. Very beautiful. It gives me a nice dewy finish, and if you see, it's almost over. And guys, this is how everything has turned out. I hope you like this look because I am absolutely digging it. It's a perfect nude, perfect glam nude, I must rather say, and with some of my favorite products. I love it. What do you think about this look? Please drop it in the comment section below. I am going to link all of these products down also in the description box, just in case you are interested in any of them. So you can definitely go and check that out. By the way, those are not any affiliate links. They are just the links of the products which I am going to provide for you guys. And also please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And if there is anything else that you want me to make videos on, drop it in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to do it. Guys, kindly engage with the content. If you like it, please just drop a heart in the comment section or just share it with the people that you think can be helpful for. So yeah, that's all for this video. Until then, take care. Ta-da!